Miss Nancy. Miss Nancy Pacha Kwaba.
Yeah,
Pacha Boko dear.
Adwuma experience.
Yedera diasi. You can say Miss Nancy. Ebia no mami introduction kaka before one kasa wo original introduction. Me Pacha sawa Confession on TV3 Eraba bi aya na ode enkrofo tete sumu emo ka omo sumu asem. Just a program na very interesting enkrofo kan reho sem omo share omo experiences in life. Na no kra de no bi be ne papa so ne maame wo so na just asem na mo pa. Woman dey ni be interview no ono na yes anyoma ni nyina. Obo ankrofo mo e find no true self. Obo ha o waware mu aware na etete no otu omofo obo ha ne ho kafo onya de ma na nye na otu omu nyina afo ene ene ne betwetwe nkomo Miss Nancy
Obapa
akaba biom ye ka se Miss Nancy awu name ne sei e de sei ye wo he unyini wan o ma me mamo ye sei uko school wo he enti bibi kakra.
Okay, not just myself, not I'm ever true.
Sa pepepe.
My name is Nancy Adwuma Adwuma. Anane no ye me maiden name, me papa din. Me ya santini me free ataseman so. Me sanso ye bunoni kakra. Me papa ye bunoni. It's na Kumasi ye wo me Kumasi. Etete me wo Kumasi atasema so Santasi. Me krom ni atasema so ye Kumasi residential area.
Pa.
Krom ne hin.
Kenya se. Atasema so the dine wo na efe papa.
Me that's it. So intina me tesa no.
Aye.
So me krom cry residential area. Me krom cry wa. Enti me ho na me free it's na Santasi kakra na me ko school papa nso
school bay.
Marthas of Uganda.
Oh.
A Catholic school. Ye pencil ne dear not to say with me come Marthas of Uganda not to say which naso. Na me papa no mun shede in china so sa. Ne mum na me papa wa dream bi se was ne ma enya nimdie papa. Inti my dad is actually a taxi driver.
Oh wow.
Yes, he still is a taxi driver in New York. And or the taxi chie ne trotro chie ne transporter and a share ne man na.
Miss Nancy, now papa chi taxi or Ghana before so call.
Me pa try. Me papa no chi taxi obi otna Santasi bia ni mabna kwabna transport. Na me papa.
Okay.
Aye, inti. No. And now the share ne ma make sure say even
Miss Nancy pa shoka kese kaka.
Aye, even though I say yeah just say honto ye bebre no ye ko school la na escafo ma na eko me ne apia me nkamoma ene I mean that time hotel ye was Santasi roundabout La Vicus mo emma ene ko school nyame ye Adwuma ye papa de ko school papa
ma classmates na ye titru
Kevin Otre or your oil guru I mean or your senior kakra just say oko konfanochi oko kolebu doctors bebre doctor naneje where we cook or your classmate oko nkrofo ye lawyers yeah just say all over some are into politics and doing amazing into school ni there yetimi koye na yako Martha's primary through to JHS.
Oh wow.
Into me free me crab brim school back I'm call me and I'm called SS.
Uno nuanum nyina.
My name is Sister Penny. My name is Sister Penny Obosopa. In fact, in drew 2 years cry and near my it's a center for or no currently or your marketing executive or MTN Ghana or Saya Sofu. She's married to a pastor and she's a lady pastor herself.
Wow.
Lady Pastor Sarah Addison. Hello, sis. My twinnie and my best friend. I and a medical sin Monicus. Asante Mampon. Koye General Lats. Kakra me French. And I'm a Asante Chi. And I'm
2 languages.
And I'm a literature in English. And so at that time now General Arts na Arts 1 Arts 2. Or mom history, geography, any economics.
Yes.
And I languages, no literature in English, Chi and French as electives. Yeah.
And about quarter share with him.
And I'm journalism, IBMNG, it will come say. Yes.
And the school na che.
Hey, not that's the only accredited journalism school in Kumasi.
IBMNJ, X5 side hono.
Yes. Openyi, what's the name? The former mayor. Akwasi Agyeman street ne so. And the wo crew from. Enti se one thing crying. Now won't me mba GIG wa kra. Now so one kwa IBMNJ na we journalism wo Kumasi that the minim baby akoye. Because journalism, marketing, any all of those. And then at the time now another school so a friend IMS. Normal so very popular, but no more tech honor. Baby, but they were more into business stuff. But journalism there, na IBMNJ.
From IBMNJ.
And me was school, you know, na me practice it. I was lucky. I was obi home in tem into me ran media anymore and sana me started school.
Oh, yes. When you experience class and I school.
Crabby na me jume rano or semi talented. I will say, Monsieur Huadi and na me now sunti were encouraging me say I should go to the journalism school. So I was working and interning at the same time and a boy minti. Ama me career a year longer than my age because me started radio by 19 years of age.
Oh, very young.
Very, very young.
And sana woko school no.
Inti me were too many na me san co school no. Inti the mission ye bia was relevant because there was a minyano on a theory no menya it was school practicals and so metie jumenim inti ema me mu eyeding. At those times near Kakumase for girls or more radio so or more bomb homodin here oh na me ka ho.
Into me modin abraya mom is
Debbie.
Esa ma mo bodin.
That time na chese nansi adobia na ne na da so.
Where's Nancy? It's from IBMNJ and
me senama started radio na.
Started radio. Oh, hefasa.
In fact, my first radio station, my name said na wusa se oba kaidia. Near friend Invisible FM. Invisible wo hono that time na the only other radio station. Eka ho na just a few others na main GBC Radio Ghana radio ewo Kumasi. And Invisible wo na Capital Radio ewo ho and Fox FM more those times omuna na ejina suntina Invisible one Mr. Kojo Yafe who became a father, a mentor, a friend, and he was amazing to me. Eho na me started here into along the line no ujai not abruchi in terms na oba Ghana beye ejuma ne mu ye den kakra ma no nti otoma multimedia. And omudi ye insra currently yes it's insra FM I ben love FM hono yes into omwana na ye invisible and it ba omko no so omka ko katwi samre na chese ma yesema baba ya make up for credit me se me nkatwi obi amaya asante twi o it me ani achi anko insra ho ni bi and na enkoso FM enkoso yes is it still there?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. No, KJT Astro Honum. And I almost so me. Hona me Cabrofo, na me bo branch. O time ya 10 to 12. And then na Phil Collins, ne Brian Adams, ne Westlife, mostly. My goodness, I mean. Your bunny Dina, or the one Nika Kratos here. Hello, good afternoon. I hope you're listening to
now Memobia Quaba ever. I know you're doing it.
Hey, it's me know me wabaya.
I didn't hear.
Hey, Chief, when you discussing English for no.
Really?
Koshe. O coachy stations, sir. Or mom, ye chief presenters no. A japadi o my ye will crum hanum. Because a masses. Enti enuma be brain e beba mo adverts obeye LPM mamomo o kwa yase koyen ensa o koyen kabode wo ye weddings just say endless opportunities enti sikane de twifo no ne wo se me na me na ya akonedu Peace FM on na me first news editor efiachre no kan English news business or hwesi kasem na ne mfa se so ka twi Nigeria media.
Obetis kasem na se na ti ye man ten shira ho.
Se brofo aye me den. Brofo me di brofo.
But brofo do so animonyam wom.
Abaya said o ye nso animonyam wom.
Ai papa.
Every say man no ne brofo na de. Ano krona nam de ka asante twi no. Ti ne wo se nka menya ahoto so se no nso so ede na emu menya. Em se na me ka brofo na ne nkrofo oboji me so ye.
Pass no so. And I'm a shell koso.
Yes, me
Ego
ko
so na.
so kakra. Chire no me dofo bi me ko nkoso me konya dofo adamfo pa no ye me producer. Christian Pepra All Green and
But
may
so
his
what?
soul rest in perfect
Oh,
peace.
okay.
Oh
Amen.
yeah. Na me hu bi da so bi oben wani ni didi koba ni ade betimi empofrum wa
Film,
ba
sir.
adwuma ne file da o desk so Pepra when you saw so okwa that time na internet ni wo mo de mu ti aye o na omo free pampa so ho ene ko adum internet cafe baako na wakoye research who trending stories for a sports, not a sports presenter. To okwakoye no a sports presenter no ye me a time producer. So that time now Adwuma no you have to be good at two. You just cannot do one. Me so na me kind news so and na me sa about a branch time. A branch by ye kukru yes or kwa by a pine accident see KJT aho. Me see a accident as you being cover cover by ya na ne wallet and any keys. Yes, so no accident in a thing. I think I was too young. I couldn't manage a hamedodo. Into a me studio when I'm home popo. Into I had to go off radio for a while.
Because of incident, no.
Yes. I send me so no be obey me in wusada.
And I know one chance no crass or
yeah, madam for ye menini didi menini ye bibia wajumem ye corner back. So I couldn't handle it. And then my parents were not in Ghana. My parents were abroad. In Tinasa, I come in Kwana, me rare hododo. So a humanity meniso kakra. And see, way addition a woman say, Bibi bets me at all. A bit shaky your core being. Your grace, idea will be a bit me a cano. Say ye wo, say ye, a mammy wo be wo adam ford or full wo, bibia, a juma say yes, a cashier. Usu kakra no jai no to our brabo.
Concentrate.
If he says a man jaya me nyamwa, ama me jaya and come into me and swam a brabo subu. I went off radio for a while. And because I'm more journalism and marketing, me quite advertising agency, and also a my knowledge about advertising, renting.
It's also exploring. You want to explore.
Yes. I love challenges. Yes, so me quite renting Ghana Limited. Me events, my I'm also great at events. Events organization. It's also one of my fortes.
Wow, yes, multi-talented.
I wonder. It's still within the scope of media, marketing. So I'm a year no kakrana. Madame Fubi, Regina Kofi Kumasi she's one of the finest designers there. Then not our lingerie shop. Inti Okoya adverts, ewo Love FM. And love for so mama ne 10 minutes. So make us about panties ne bra ne underwears ne ade. Ade abechiama danesi no frame, say ono no akoka university we. Or sister. Madam intimi na me sure say radio no metimi akwa kasa so me sure ko kasa ma me nam so betua sen e na o say me nko kasa mra me ba me mfa sika na obeje embe yi bra ne panties me so ya ade a me ni je ho pa e na ne me koye na me kot na radio no so no na Anita Kuma na ne your host ti me cotton 10 minutes na me cotton bra ne panty the nti obe was also some panty na to no na wo G string ade de share ne bra ne just say no I mean off beat just say me we energy say me cotton the akoje drawers me we no na presenter no ko catch the producer said this lady came on my show and she's amazing. I want to give her a segment on my show. I'm saying I don't know me many who be a me person maybe. Also no yet not full time. So just be a service provider. So we spoke to the programs manager. They placed me on service provision. And I'm here Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. Into a chain as a listeners neni kano. And I'm saying creative Women's World. That is a Sunday night 2-hour talk show. At the moment will Love FM. Into me Love FM on Sukakra na me ba. Started Ultimate. That is the first EIB network radio station in Kumasi, which is about 10 years ago. So I was the first employee for EIB. I mean, we were there when we were doing the renovations. We rented a place. We did everything. And by God's grace, it became a business. And Star FM and all the other brands, GH1 TV, came out of it. Into a whole and a free buy.
A Rama from Facebook. I say, such a captivating voice, Miss Nancy. If you're Diamond, I say you went to St. Monica's, that's why you're so beautiful. Hey, they count them into me. Hey, if you're Diamond, no, you're crab on the papa.
Sao ho.
Ah,
What can be? Monica's phone cried, yes,
Aye.
Ukra wa ho face no sen ka komunchu.
Because girls' school, mum, because girls' school.
Ewe
Adventist girls, a quite about.
Hey, SD na obe kwai no.
In
Tonso almost so I knew about them. O se na obe kwai SD bi no me
And
bone
papa nya ho na mkwa.
O hips no two way enke fata
I don't know mo ka wa ha no. Omo ka de no wa ha.
Hips no to ne de obo o communicate a wanya hwe na nya obody. O de bebo.
Dining na mo dining na.
Ya na yet na bucket so ne senior ma.
So
who said that time they 34 buckets no dade de no two butu na na de si ho into what so a wo kwa I mean you will wash every na tretre body no tretre body no
you go fi ameka koye bi
wo pe bi aka de ho a wo beefo beefo na na ni nso ade de nyame ayewi ya ba ya
it's school now we post talking about SS.
Amazing.
Because me how dear who dey down and nam school musa akwa.
You would be amazed about my nature. So I am not a political person by nature. I am an impactful person. So pe post no initially na seniors be me head girl. My currently she's a lawyer. She works at the First Lady's office. Sheila Sechi, your time on the be head girl. She and I are so solid. We were in the same class doing general arts. And say art for Diana, you're no wedding. So people would push you there. Even though I was not part of the professorship, I was in charge of instruments, the whole school. Me boye Emma yeto instruments, ye father Nuyama eto instruments, ma se Monica's ye school band. Frema Edrinyame. Of City FM, not Tunyum, was a Monica's. Philippa Befi, not Tunyum was a Monica's. Mian Kasana Metunyum was a Monica's. One wonderful singer in Ghana, Sandra Frey, or no so Otunyum Wabamento Crada for TV3, Otunyum, Paltunyum Tisanoma. So we were able to put together, I was always part, my senior house mistress, Madam Felicia, no Odromi Seba, which is a Mikuni Fie Miditi, ain't it? My position. But obi any honma within my period, no ye me mate and answer me junior onim nancy adobia na.
Relevant.
Because events be a baby school be me na me MC. From day one, the microphone was handed to me. In fact, me what primary school, krana that time ye head teachers, no more ye Roman sisters. So intina omukabrofo pa Sister Mary Providencia or kabrofo assembly near frame semi church. I used to do translations, which my dad also does translations. Inti kasa DM se nyame de mame papa and not say ho kakra de mame.
Because I de we ya de go for Miss Nancy anoneka said Miss Nancy well Priscilla Jemai or say Miss Nancy I love the way you speak.
Thank you.
Oh nyame shamu. We kwa radio student ya samo ten real so kasa monimu a we ka say hey Sister Nancy Miss Nancy. I was see boy I was say good no.
Hey, oh. It's an all moment, huh? Oh.
Miss Nancy.
Yes, sir.
Coming to your show on TV3, Confession. What episode now? Do you put yourself in the shoes of the people talking? Stories, you know. And now you're just doing it for the show.
I don't know, I get so emotional. So sometimes you see a lot of lines on my forehead. There are days I get so into it. We have to cut for me to relax, take a sip of water and relax and say that, listen, it's somebody's life. It's not your life. You cannot kill yourself here. I mean, this is a show. So give us a show as well. So sometimes transitioning from being an empathetic listener into being the host of the show becomes a bit difficult, because one moment you are down because of what you just heard, and the next moment you have to come on and say, good evening, Ghana, this is Confessions on TV3. I'm delighted to come your way, meanwhile I'm dying inside. Yeah, so it's not easy. Asem nipa die, me do nipa. Me chidi se wiase die men, wiase hu hia ni nipa e wom. Enti bibi ye obi a etimi kame. Ensem ni bi wo hono ma enye easy o. Na me inbox kra nsem a mete wo hono. Tinye de bia na me kokoshe. Cause who di we pesie bi me pampesie ni nyado apa ko bi daso na kosua kakra na obi abema wakan ade bi na mood no. I just love people, so I'm easily affected by other people's emotions. So it's not easy.
It's not easy. Story be na oye wo show no so a kan wa wo say we die ni patrimu sum.
The story that can me personally was abaya na say omami jano ema ne papa at 3 years. Now, as far as she could remember, as very early age, na ne papa de nku fefa ne nsa ho e de hyehye ne ho and abused her all through her life. And she's never found her mother, and she lived with her father until her father died. And or se se otiwiase o on say ni obia into oba confessions so no obesra and say yen hyehye ne maame ma no ne maame ne kronim ne first name pe. So medwe ho say after all she's been through she eni na she se ne woni maame sitie ne atie bia obi ani wiase asem ye wa e ka ne tese wo maame ana so papa wo enti she sa akraya for obramu na nipa wo so gini die pa no wasai no owie ye onsen ni obia. She has nobody to go back to. In fact, eno de ebo me pa.
That story na touching me shebi.
She came all the way from Obuasi
looking for her mother.
Now
mutu me bo na mane hu no.
Yeguso. Maame no se mamle ga
na ha de. Ebi kwa maame no ko ni TV
mpo. Ebi kwa no wawu mpo.
Okay.
Obra wetu kwan ana wawu ana woni access to television. Enti what can yebesa kan we would find the details and still announce obi ni mobi otesa na yahwehwe na ma no enye easy. Well, see where you
Miss Nancy. Kafra. Miss Nancy, would you say broken homes has effects? Kafra, I'm sorry about what I just brought. Oh, I've made you emotional. Fetch me. Do you believe say broken homes tete same kora?
Me chidi say me shwe me home. I had a good mother, an elegant mother. God rest her soul. My mom was also called Linda.
Hey, wow.
Linda Asante.
Oh, wow.
So she chose a great man in my father to have children with. And that's how come I am and my siblings are. We had lots of love. We had lots of support. We were not just raised, we were mentored to become the people that we have become. Inti sɛ mede mabrabɔ hwɛ deɛ a ɛne ɛna sɛ wo maame anaa wo papa ni wo nkyɛn a ɛbɛyɛ den.
And she said, lady no ba show no so no she's really going through hell.
Ɛbɛyɛ den. Sɛ maame a ɔno nkwa kora tete ba a wɔdɔ ne ba no back to get back kyɛ sɛ ɔbɛyɛ biribi ama no kora no papa nni akora ne nkyɛn a ɛka no kakra na papa a wasan sɛe no.
Let's say papa no ewa asetene no mu na se papa no kwa oni aware na se bas ohwe no de he bi na wo kan
de owo onni fie kwa wone no na etete no ekura wonye nsunsuaso na de woni ho kra na wanhwe ne kra. So on say you were absentee dads.
Yes.
Ohwe ne ba o
ye
interested na emom nye ono ne natifie enti onhu se ne ba ne throw tantrum da no watea no. Esan se nye ono ne natifie enti no e de obefre ne bia ohema daddy no akasa darling how are you doing because oni honti anytime on any kasa opeso ajeje ne so to make up for his absence. Enti the discipline that a dad is supposed to bring to the table is left out. And so the child is left with the love of a mother. But the balance is a loving mother, a disciplining father, or a disciplining father and a loving mother. So there should be a bit of discipline and a bit of love in there.
But when you say mother be how to me a disciplinary mother no say loving mother.
It's a bad time. Edi ayam shishie tiane ba. When humami ani be chakwa kwema en kakebo na wobo neda. Wanhwe ya ka na nkunu obebo ne ba na maniti aboho awu. Ayam shishie nti. So obe tia kra ayam shishie e ma na nye rational. She doesn't know how far she should go. So eni yemu enti no eno emotion ne de entiane ba enye rational thinking like men. enti no still a kakakra
Kakaka.
enkenya me nka so oba ne be ma na enwo ba
No cre.
yehia eja
Miss
yehia
Nancy.
na
Oh, baby. Oh, 6 years. Are you a single parent?
I'm currently not married.
Means you are a single parent. And
But you're single parents na ya na chesing.
oh, Sabako for the Shakorano. Said the Biana which you see, I say, absentee father.
Absentee fathers, but not necessarily say a single parent.
Okay, if you have an absentee dad for your child.
Me bani papa wo nyemi kunu no nye ne nete. Simply put.
Yes, nya onye nete. Enti na je say, won ko abako for no untumi hwe ba. This o hia papa no wo ho.
Ye hwe. And so we so jitum se beka kakra. Nyame aye madom. Me were not a very hands-on father. Me papa, a very hands-on, or you hands-on with me and hands-on with my daughter too. So at least she's getting the cushion that she needs. My sisters, mienu, aware, omunyina kununum ye decent gentlemen who are father figures to my daughter, and she gets to spend time with them. So she's feeling the hands of a man in her life. She's got people that udin some why say papa ban yem shino. Say papa don't beat me, papa. I'm sorry, I will not do this again. Yes, intino or that kind of balance, no. But it's never the same.
It's never the same. Do you plan on remarrying?
Absolutely.
And Marina Swan.
Me podo odoya me dese. Odonem kwa naka. Me pebe me bia meni pone ni ma. Na me koma tome yem enya ho finti but say ohun say ye frɛ bibi soulmate obi a wo hu na wo se medie nie ne ho ye wanika ne ho ye wakono ode ne nsa fa ho na wo se agu ne nsa ho ye ofe ne na se ye ofe odo ne kyerɛ sɛ nipa su ne nipa ban no ene ye wanika ye wakono enye de wode ba
Yes, boy.
Enti odono na me hwehwe enti ase enso so ka ho obi a wo ba be kama brabo e baabi amabo akwaduri nyame adom ne all by myself no obeka ho amama ye de chensa obi a menim de ebeye mfaso ama de ono so obeye. So I'm looking for love, I'm looking for a purposeful partnership, I'm looking for a partner for life and a partner of love.
Basically. Enti applications e wo ho ana say we be atum yen famra
abaya so worry ye da bia meti and na mempena abaya to boasi o to boasi na it's not over until it's over. What you say
keyword no
offense so enka said there is nothing in between being married and single. Me worry won worry what it wo worry a wa worry
worry ye die. It's not over.
Ma wani na ho Bible said then watch and pray. Into ni mobi but unyansi su dua se nech na na eba so a susu fobo ho safo hene susu fa chinchin
sufa so a okwo mu bebu
se nani bra o de ka be siso
on fa siso die
na wajew nti me obi aka we mi ame de me toye e na hye mensi
obra no we yato ho
what you say me mo bia me hunhuna
Debbie.
It's not over until it's over.
Obi if you diamond say wow Miss Nancy you are full of wisdom. I like your choice of words.
Me da say obapa me da say
Miss Nancy, in one of your interviews me say was say you didn't once to do munu kunu share anche o ex-husband as na making mu share about 2 years and I must steady mo 6 months later mo worry nti na she say wunim no anche nti na ware na anche na na
enye no kre enye no nti na ware na anche say ye won krofo bi omuhia ma e wo night club anadwo no kra no ma ye makeup so sorry anopa no apepa makeup no atu ne wake
different person
ade a wo ye wo fie ho e ma na mfiri fie ho bio ene e wo bi a wo hu no oba ne nanante amfie du still a wo mo ware ye no eguye enti eye me say eye niema bi a ubo wo hu modern but it's about destiny and fate ebefa che say manual bi ani ho no me che say wo fa sa kwan we su a And it's not supposed to be. When we say, Ayana, Omuka say, what the Lord has put together, let no man put asunder. Now, what if it's not the Lord that did put them together? Then a man can put it asunder.
No, correct.
And nipa to miss say papa way or any way or ba way, baby, I would dream in me fata so was a me worry no. So what drawn so on no so want to say they are just converting their grace and their honor into a bit to me. Wo Felicia, what by I would see how boy Juma dintintia, Yamian Munyama tosu, would you make dear cause will be bit to me why your agenda say girl, we mean a me worry no. Just to prove so no so you'll be. It's just a competition for him. I feel we no bet na enyo don't what dear kakra bi na ne homete or no so ya dear kakra bi na so homete na ankwanko wie enti dear tie bia ma odom rem. There is nothing that love cannot fix. When there is love, there is nothing that love cannot fix. That's why I'm saying that in my next relationship leading to marriage, I'm looking for love.
Hey, 1 and 2.
I'm looking for love, 1 and 2.
Miss Nancy, do you regret marrying?
No. Hey, na me papa sheme. She say me pa catch us me papa wa ye taxi driver. Na wo de me ko school na nya me aye madom metimi achieve na be me bia me fia me kasa oba we or your be ni munyamfo a wo fata me nsa se medi beto ne so e de ka hye na hye na busuafo ani munyam. Na wote ho na be me bia ma fie me ka se oba pa ye ken yankwa nkosi hwio nso me hye diamond ring ye ken yankwa nkohwe me papa hu se watete oba pa wo fata be me bi fie a mesan ye biu enti aware de ehu hia aware ye emo bia na ada so aware enye oboa. Companionship is important. Wo share statistics a nipa kro mo nware memo mo nware o mu wu ntem say memo mo nware.
GH boy, bomodene. GH boy.
Onya nintem.
Yesterday, me your companionship. Me your companionship person. Please.
Your companionship person, I day.
Press Library, I'm really enjoying this interview. Real talk, pa. Thank you, Miss Nancy, for your advice.
You're welcome.
Mame Kariba, when there's love, there's nothing that love can't fix. Oh. Let me share when you join us live on Facebook. It's still Adwuma. And come on here, they say, yeah, and I will baby, I would say, you only 95.1. Your name, Miss Nancy, Adwuma, and your bon come on. Miss Nancy, Reverend Abiam, Monday or Baha, and then Russell, Tuesday, 15th November, you Reverend Newman. Almost say Ghana had it. Our real in favor, mem, our jay. No, almost say our real in favor, mema. Because I can remember our real say, and right walk for our real. Maybe I can do na and worry. No more yaja now, no more yaja.
For God so loved the world that he gave. Love gives. Love shares. So would do be a mekano cracho. A memma a brimponi a teacher or my babble bra will be a singing. A yes, so will be your baby papa momo, any omodo for intia. Only will be bob bra. I will send panonia baby film. A money be a near bradie, and yes, say dear, say, ya good dear mukran, and ya wario. A good dear mukra will be proud or be best sayo. E wo a dear who will be a war pehon. Nipa any a brad dear. Nanso, dem pesem chenese se wudo nipa na wo mano. Enti ntwen mane nkodru se wo free ni nchen no abeka sa ne amihia we ana mihia we. Me maware kakra na mkoe no man hye de nya hwe emfrim. Na anshedan ha me nso. If we say minim se na emfa. E na amfa no na me wo gidie ni ahotoso se metimi aye mabrabo yi.
From the start na nim se emfa.
There be a anye ejuma no man ha me hu se na me kope hwe because ade no kra nche tidie na wo kwakope wo bone bra e na wo abo bra e na won soso wa kwakobo me soso no it's not like me de me nine me nsa ne koye ye man ni bi wo ho no ma sister say ye yi ye cooking utensils gu ho no ma e ye obi dwetre. Some of us we invest into
true.
Yes, And I came with something. Me the baby buy, but ni na na hunya. I was saying, ujechi na uko. I feel na uko fading. Me call back to square one. Ne ha me cry. Because me ni pesumuna ankasano. Te said the Americano. I come from a very decent home. We are content, and we have faith in God. Says the nyame akasa obeye and emi na mini. Say me ko pray bibi hu na nka me wu ya nka mfa so be na wo so. En so so hwe de nyame aye. Meni mreda, mensunda, menhwehwe. Oho enti yen susu meja pade because wo nipa na wo say eja pade enti wo kra besa da na eja unim de obefa. Enti let's be fair. Let us live a free and fair world. So ba mene na 19 mfie mienu, mene na tena mfie num, mfie du, mene ne ntamo tetia. Wo na wo be ma na wo so hu se o deserve baby. Don't let her even ask. And what we are banning so be fair. Ukoto no brana no abono na wo nka ho. Enti ade na ba bia wo ndua ye opese otwa. Be ye be no.
Mani di nyina ma wo.
And you don't deserve it. He had it before you even came into his life. Why are you doing that? When he brought here into one won't swear.
Ono ani fie na betena ne kan de ma otwie still a ode na ekwo hu
eno ni ade a mesrem a maaya no obi choka ya manemfa ho nkrata ma no fa ade nto so oni ukunukura nete no wo choka je ho nkrata na sa de na ya do so okuru ma dodo ase de a cho ase emfa nche wo no enye fe eye nkra sesem umpoye o cho obi ade a wodi ni nyina ama no manipa ne hu se ye ne dia
ni dimu wasensan what wo se fri won prapra won sa
car no what they ban no what register what any passport picture call DVL ye di ni di ato so ho nkrata agum usie nie emfa safo me hemani ase safo me ene
Adwuma Adwuma, I'm really enjoying this show. Oh, God bless Miss Nancy. Abanam poma great advice. Ya damu nyina must say. Miss Nancy so be chawadia, Mr. Obo modern. Neje nkrata kura na da chibi onya dance die. Safo asa ehwimfunu sema asa.
Be ma bi tirika se matofia ma meyire. Asase ni eni fie ni nyina da so woni din mu. Oso matofia ma yire. Oti ase. Da chi uni ho no ma no abusuafo na ba be pre ho. Obe so se wo de che no. It's a gift. Give. Be honest about it. Na on fan che ni wie fa ni din to so na nsa fa e ho nkrata akodi loan. But to hold my bank friend they say ufie ni ye dey collateral.
Facebook for damu nyina amase wa afi no tuni na high on 95.1 ye ne Miss Nancy ene bonko ma afi no wa join ye yanya mi hira mu nyina Facebook for mo amonam efi amutie ye adwuma market women drivers Miss Nancy
oh papa
say ye hwe o hwe se ne relationship aye now Ghana are we in the right state of mind to date
since e kra na ehia odo
adete
obapa se de wo bedidi atwa wanum ama ho ato ni ho a de wo bedidi atwa wanum ama ho ato wo se wo ho abaya wo ti tia meken
Miss me meti ase ba be na obi nti ase nti o
bre kwa na e be ken se ne wo bedidi atwa wanum ama wo ho ato eni ho a e wo se de wo bedi die twa wanum ama wo ho abaawo e wo ho
Miss Nancy say unya wade de bia economy no kwa e de da wonte Miss Nancy
na cha say yenum be boyen na yaya senso aboyen
Miss Nancy ne de anya possible
Debbie
e come to ndi emprenu no
abaya se bi ene nka me kondo bibi na me nia ewie na me kofie na de me nsa beka bia me dia e wo se me tene a na me honam ka obi aya na me bi mu
Miss Nancy the pastor studio higher there Mr. Tune in now you're live on Facebook Miss Remo you are missing out. Then the conversation is getting interesting. Yeah, intense. Miss Remo.
Hey, intensity open.
Obia dabro so into AdwumaAdwuma. Miss Remo command Miss Nancy D. And no what you want obia ye na want to AdwumaAdwuma. No dabro so. What dabro so?
No who sane no. And only when your body goes back to the factory settings, you restart to the computer no refreshed. Obeda. Sana we dear you.
Obi here.
Oh sorry, afraid doctor. No compare excuse duty the fuck office.
Then to that one Adwuma no. Your mom the name refi wo fie. Ahwenye wo.
Jenya me say. Adie tata uni ejina wa yare be na chance abaya. Na chese ne kra no se na wiase si ko no. E wo se doctors ni timi recommend say pedophobia na wo miemia no so mu. Na won do. Na wo hun sane o na wo yare nyina mesene nko.
Amen. Preach on. Miss Nancy. Facebook Obi say, my friend once told me to stop decorating my room because it's a man's job to do. Is it right?
Hey. Now, man na me. Man no wa me. Oh, Debbie. Oba de. Ye wo nieme ye sane be ya obi ba. Obeba beto se wabobra. Na wodi bia papa be ka ho. Enye ye nyina na ebenya esikafo chichiridie aware o. Ye mu bi wo hono ma ya mfa ya mawiase so obi na emeye ye. Ye mu bi onyame ye dada. Into the sadwini ni show trima, you will sit on your own abilities and achievements, and nobody will come to save you, and yet you will die unfulfilled. Enti awoso obade de obetimi ayama hu bia ye. Ne obetimi ayama hu bia ye.
And pem will be mama ye ma.
Would a single room owo sika owo enough abetimi anya wo 1 bedroom apartment, 2 bedroom apartment. Also would a single room o pese be ma ne be ware okota. Na wa ma na yesu ba eso wabaka. Sika no de bedding.
Mami Kariba on Facebook. I hope you are listening to Miss Nancy. Or say sorry ko sie die ni man twem abema meye ma.
Na wo ya ma wo ho. Into I have a princess bed. Baby, me swana ni ehwe Cinderella no. When we saw metal bed na say flowers wo so no. Eye me fantasy say me hu to me a me kwakwakoto me queen size, king size no. Me make sure say eye princess bed. And also so ya na strategy bi wo ho. Se wani ji bebra wutimi chechire won sabom. Usa won hu ade we die so.
Miss Nancy say the bed not that so energy bebre a energy na ye can the type of happiness you are talking about. Won tiasa na won tiasa. Utu be chichire won sabom. Ubu ha oda wo pre. Tis wan chichire ne san ha no apra koto form. So what I say?
We all kwa na etwe. So let us learn to be kind to ourselves. Felicia, it's a very important thing that people should learn to do things for themselves, to be kind to yourself. Maybe what mood be I get in, I just go and do something for myself. Enti ene me da sorry na feel say my adwuma bi sikebea ba mania so a esi yo oni ma me nkoto asoma de ba ko nse.
Treat yourself good.
Petua ba ko enhye me nsa. Me nkoto perfume a ehwama na bu eden kakra mfa ngu me ho just to gratify my own soul for all the work that I do. Enti oba de ye bibi ma wo. Be kind to yourself because baby I'll be yes in the honor the oba no be ba beto aso.
I mean sure Miss Nancy. Me read the Facebook messages kaka. Obapa Irene say I love this woman. I love this woman. Richard Diok will message me to me in kind because me tiase na makai mo bi atiase. Adwuma J or say are we in the right state of mind to date? Hey, yes, so are we in the right state of mind to date? We have another guest in the house. Caleb.
Felicia.
Pachakaba.
Mijoso.
Yeah,
thank you.
Oh, best try in the middle of a beautiful show.
I said, Name wo ichio na mete say me Sister Pinya baha. Na Monsieur O say what had ya. Ma me so me rushim ra.
Oh.
If he say oni me di ni ye.
Oh.
Oni me di ni ye pa na me kai somewhere 2018 na me was school. GIG na me ne san ye adwuma wo baby foforo. And I got to a time na school load no abro me so. Na adwuma load so abro me so. And at that time so na me ne some gay bi hye ho.
What it you?
Nti na ono so load so abeka ho. Nti na depression bem. Na ma call to me lowest cry. Nti no uni me na follow me on Facebook on say me ta pussy nyoma. I am nkofo sere. But me post on Facebook say my depressed. For the first day I me post here no. Omo reacting nyina asre.
Omo just say one of your jokes.
Yes. The second day I me some post here obi asre. Third day and I miss Nancy react here. And no frame me. Say then ha me. It be my cool much no dem make aside. In fact, you say bemen soon, but that day there, my men can no say in suka krigui. Me ne kasa wie no. And no osama me HR e wo honom at the time so frame me. Na me ni HR ne kasa wie me to me gather me ho kakra na me san ko school ko me exam na me dey eto aso. It is since that time mami oti me ni agro.
Me funny agro. Enkrani okachi.
So yeah, some like in Krayabeka say in Keleshwe.
Funny Niagara.
Yes, I don't joke with her at all.
She's so dear to your heart.
Dear to my heart. And this is why I'm afraid. Meantime, I send the call, but me miss the call as well. I return the calls because of that gesture. No, your mom some time ago. It me value no deep in my heart. It miss Nancy dear na. My make her say something could be na me sorry. Na somewhere last year be na me Adwuma me Adwuma. And now my staff friend say, "Oh Caleb, my arranging guest about me show no so now first choice I feeling me. Me second guest was I'm feeling to me so we dear. Brand bit to mommy. Miss na you show you saying some monkey can man bema choco so let me say me dey me tiny movie so oh dey me this obet me abaye bisa me say na assignment na yet na kwaka e mark say imam so the way our omode in man mema compem omumpem agro nsem eno hu na me say me met na sim me kana nyame say yanka no krai me got na TV issue I me dey fa ha na ye dey fa ha na me say me yes I show no Felicia in penifo sending me messages for Facebook and Instagram there. Hey!
Whoopi Market.
That was Caleb. I show gratitude to Miss Nancy.
Oh, that was sweet.
Oh,
that was sweet.
To get people like this once in a while, it's nice. It makes you know you are doing something nice.
Indeed.
You are changing the society.
Thank you.
Miss Nancy. Just a message is what had the dorsum. David Abochi. Miss Nancy, I'm listening to you. You are saying the right thing. Miss Nancy, I'm really proud of you, Eric and San. Adwuma, Miss Nancy is very interesting. Elom Genevieve. Miss Nancy, we love you. Why? Oh.
Love you back, darling.
I'm really enjoying this interview. Say Monica's Girls Rock. And it was a Monica's.
Oh,
hey.
Yeah.
Hey,
offer. Ooh, come back, you are somewhere.
And the interview now is so interesting because in your wonderful personality, I want to share life, school kakra, education kakra. If you nyansa, our real say baby. Miss Nancy, your final words for listeners.
So I want to thank Ghana. I have been loved. I have been appreciated. For me, if somebody takes your word and walks by it, that is enough for me. So I'm so grateful. And I'm particularly grateful to Media General, the company you and I are working for currently, and all the amazing things that they are doing for us and the whole of Ghana. I'm truly grateful. And I love my family. I love my dad, Adwuma, my siblings, Sarah, and Nanama Safora, Adwuma, and my cousins. I have a big family. My friends, my close friends, my associations, and all of that. I truly appreciate you all, including yourself, girl.
Mr. Producer say part 2 because a conversation no baby I obi ani age ho and she would love to host you again.
Eba edane de eba be keka nsem.
I met wase pa met wase. Ti eba boy be do lights nyina to set the mood for them.
Na mo the flowers na mo
candles ni
adwentwe ne kwabna
edita form sa pepe.
Say we ane de asem be si okrom ha. Eno ho asem nko a. Enye won so amini obi ani sa nkomo no aba ya Felicia Osei Nancy.
Thank you for coming, Miss Nancy. It's Miss Nancy and then a bar on Komono. Obi are joining your live on Facebook. I mean, Shamo. tune in na AdwumaAdwuma. Yeah, no Monday to Friday from 10:30 to 12 p.m. But more than tune in and some say you me much na be see abebium. Many GH boy sapo yo. Parko C Don Rich NKG. Nkofo bebre wo studio ha chese omo doso. Insuraba wa hanom. Bosheba wa ha. What I say? Me am di dwuma de ebre mo as usual. Your friend Felicia Osei. Fine girls yo mo krom ha nyina omo class prefect. O serious boy na no say o serious boy no. The serious girl name me. Abna Lovelace. So feeling me bros for no friend me. Oh Philly. Nyame adom o kire be hia mo nyina. Mo bye bye.